Hello friends, today we are going to study repulsion is the surest test of magnetism. For that we are going to conduct a small experiment. In this we are having any kind of magnet, whether it is a bar magnet or U magnet, any type of magnet. Either you must be having a small piece of magnet at your home that you can take with for this. Fine. So I'm taking a bar magnet for this. Fine. So let's start our experiment. In this experiment I'm going to use few things like a hairpin, a small iron plate and a safety pin. So in any magnet it shows attraction as well as repulsion. Fine. So if you want to find out whether it is a magnet or not, we consider repulsion as the surest test. Why it is so? Let's see. Now if I use this magnet, it is attracting this iron plate, and if I touch this iron plate with the pin, again it is attached to it, it is being attracted, as you can see. Fine. So this pin is being attracted, by the iron plate. That means this iron plate must be a magnet. This is a magnet, it is attracting this pin, it is a magnet. Fine. So now if I keep it away from the bar magnet and it has fallen down, the pin is now it is not attracting. That means it's not a magnet, but earlier it was working as a magnet, but it is not, actually it is not a magnet. So just by the property of attraction we can't say it's a magnet or not. Fine. So why repulsion? Now if I take one more magnet, this is another magnet. Fine. So now if I bring this magnet to the north, this red one is the north pole and this blue one is the south pole. So if I bring it near it, it is going to repel. As you can say, it is moving away from it. Fine. So that means for any magnet, repulsion is the surest property, because फॉर अट्रैक्शन, अब अट्रैक्ट तो ये भी कर रही थी, अट्रैक्ट इसने भी किया था अगर ये इसके साथ अटैच्ड है, एंड इट इज अट्रैक्टिंग द पिन. फाइन. बट इट्स एक्चुअली नॉट द मैग्नेट. फाइन. सो अब एनीथिंग विल बी कॉल्ड मैग्नेट it is showing the repulsion property. If any magnet is showing the repulsion, then only we consider it a magnet. Fine. So as you can see, it is repelling. Blue, go away. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can conduct these small experiments at your home also. Thank you.